All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is on Handy Dave here. We're gonna come on here and throw you guys a quick comparison video of the Apache 3800 hard case, which you guys can go watch some of my other videos. I actually do a quick down review of it actually, and I do a second video of actually pulling out the foam. That was something I was a little afraid to do just because I'm a little anal and I like everything to look perfect and professional. And I thought it came out pretty decent. So, all these have little cubes that you could just pull out. So if you guys want to go watch those videos, please go do so. But this one's just a quick comparison between what was actually given in the Fly More combo. I'm assuming they all come with the classic soft hard bag kind of backpack case here. And this is what this one looks like. So obviously, this one is secure, it's weatherproof, it's tight, it's securable, it can take a good beating. This thing, I don't want to drop this off of anything, that's for sure. So I kind of want to just do a quick review of this. Like I said, if I'm running around and I've got this thing in the car just going around, I'm going to want to throw it here just because it's quick, it's easy, it can slide around in the trunk, do whatever, and it's going to look pretty good in there. But if you're flying, going on vacation, and you're concerned with space, obviously this thing can handle quite a bit. And if you're like me, you take carry-ons. This is one of the things that obviously can't take the batteries. I'm assuming on anything like that, but I'm just thinking in terms of space. You definitely want to be as compact as possible. This is a way. You could get your battery packs over here, so you could carry both of them here. And that would actually give me my whole Fly More combo if I actually got these in here. So you can see these could handle everything. Now the thing I'm gonna lose out on is likely all the external chargers, the charging set that I've got. I'm probably not gonna be able to take all that with me, especially this one, but I could probably squeeze this in here if I really wanted to and be okay with it. But you can see how nice and compact that is versus having this giant old thing running around. So DJI did a really good job on the backpack style of this. It does come with a nice shoulder sling on it as well. So and, you can of course get the zip and the Velcro on there. So you get it in there nice and secure. But like I said, as far as weatherproof or dropping this thing, I still don't want to do that. But if I had that in here, I'm gonna feel just fine with this. So other than that, you can get room on here for SD cards and micro SDs and all that. Other than it feels really good, it's nice, but compact. That's about it. So if you're looking for protection against the elements, protections against just everyday travel, this is obviously the way to go. But if you need to be compact and you're worried about space, get it on this. I imagine if you're going on vacation, checking a bag, I'm assuming you're probably gonna maybe have to disclose the lithium batteries or the LiPo batteries, not the lithium. I'm not sure how flying with those these days go, but obviously if you're concerned, this is probably the size you want to go with. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up or subscribe. Go check out my other DJI videos out there. We're starting to slowly get into this part where we're actually getting it up in the air and starting to learn how to fly it really good. So, well, not good, but we're trying. So yeah, go check those out. If you guys like my other stuff, I do how-tos, reviews, product reviews, all that stuff. But I do a video a day for a year. So I don't have the best qualities out there, but we're definitely getting content out there so we can get those watch times and subscribers. But I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the whole process of this channel is to be successful and to show you guys how I made it, and if I can make it, I show you how to do it as well. So thanks for watching this video, and go check out my other stuff. See you guys in the next one.